I'll never find one little sneeze in this maze of... Oh, wait, is that it? Hello? Sneeze? Are you in there? I am not coming out. Yours truly, the sneeze from this morning. Oh, this is terrible news, but I do love a note.
Did you find it, Bear?
Yeah, but it locked itself in a closet, and I can't get the door open.
30 seconds.
Helen! Shh! Barry, listen to me! You have to observe! There must be something, a clue or a key that...
No! I can't! My powers caused this terrible situation. I notice no more.
Trust me, Barry! I need you!
Collectibles, math problems, treasured family memories, an embarrassing thing Kiff said to a stranger 3 years ago. I observe everything! Oh, wow. Oh, Kiff's favorite book. Where's that chapter she loves?
10 seconds, Barry!
Go, library card!
Oh my gee, that's it! Library card!
Exactly. Who said that?
You did it, Barry! I sneezed! I hope you never doubt your incredible gifts ever again.
Now let's celebrate. How's about we get you a real hot dog, huh?
What's a hot dog?
Uh,